Welcome to this lesson on efficiency. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important concepts in energy, efficiency. We'll discover how to calculate what percentage of input energy actually becomes useful output. This concept helps us understand how well machines and devices convert energy from one form to another. So, what exactly is efficiency? Efficiency is a measure of how much useful energy we get out compared to the total energy we put in. Think of it this way: when you use any machine or device, you supply it with energy. But not all of that energy does the job you want. Some of it gets wasted. Efficiency tells us what fraction of the input energy actually does useful work. Here's the formula we use to calculate efficiency. Efficiency equals useful energy out divided by total energy in, multiplied by 100%. The result is always expressed as a percentage. This formula is simple but powerful. It works for any energy conversion, whether we're talking about light bulbs, motors, or power plants. Remember, we multiply by 100 to convert our answer into a percentage. To understand efficiency better, we need to know about two types of energy. First, there's useful energy. This is the energy that does the job you want. For example, in a light bulb, the useful energy is the light it produces. Second, there's wasted energy. This is energy that gets lost, usually as heat, sound, or friction. In that same light bulb, the heat it produces is wasted energy because we wanted light, not heat. Let's break down the calculation into 4 simple steps. Step 1, identify the useful energy output. This is the energy that does the work you want. Step 2, identify the total energy input. This is all the energy you supply to the system. Step 3, divide the useful energy by the total energy. Step 4, multiply your result by 100 to get the percentage. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to calculate efficiency for any system. Let's work through an example together. A light bulb uses 100 joules of electrical energy. Only 20 joules becomes light energy. The rest is wasted as heat. Our total energy in is 100 joules. Our useful energy out is 20 joules. Now we have everything we need to calculate the efficiency of this light bulb. Now let's solve this problem step by step. We start with the formula. Efficiency equals 20 joules divided by 100 joules multiplied by 100%. First, we divide 20 by 100, which gives us 0.2. Then we multiply 0.2 by 100%. Our final answer is 20%. This means only 20% of the electrical energy becomes useful light. The other 80% is wasted as heat. The efficiency formula can be expressed in different ways depending on what you're measuring. When dealing with work, efficiency equals useful work out divided by total work in, multiplied by 100%. When dealing with power, efficiency equals useful power out divided by total power in, multiplied by 100%. All 3 formulas work the same way. You just use whichever one matches the units you're given in your problem. Let's review some key points about efficiency. First, efficiency is always between 0% and 100%. You can never have more than 100% efficiency. Second, no machine is 100% efficient. There's always some energy wasted. Third, energy is usually wasted as heat. Friction and resistance convert useful energy into thermal energy. Fourth, higher efficiency means less waste. The more efficient a machine, the less energy it wastes, which saves money and resources. Now it's time for you to try one on your own. An electric motor receives 500 joules of electrical energy and produces 400 joules of kinetic energy. Your total energy in is 500 joules. Your useful energy out is 400 joules. What is the efficiency of the motor? Pause here and work through the calculation. Use the 4 steps we learned earlier. When you're ready, check your answer. The efficiency should be 80%.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.